on the Kreboc ES750. My name is Rick, otherwise known as PPG Gorilla. If you guys came from the Paramotor channel, if you haven't, check it out. It's youtube.com/PPG Gorilla, and I teach people how to fly paramotors. But today we're taking a test ride on a new bike. This is the Kreboc ES750, and like I said, it's just kind of a test ride today. We're trying out a bunch of new camera angles. We're checking on the audio and everything like that. This is really going to be the launch of the new channel. Bikes, burgers, and beers. So if you've seen the channel before, I did a lot of electric scooter reviews, or several of them. I really enjoy my scooters. I started with the one wheel, and I went from that to an e-scooter. I just saw too many people get hurt on the one wheels. The e-scooter made me feel a little more confident. Still love my e-scooters, my Varla scooters. I still ride them a lot around the airport. I take them to events, to fly-ins, just as transportation to get around. So we'll be riding those some more. But for now, I got a couple of e-bikes, and I'm really digging this. I set up a camera to look at my display. I don't know how well it's going to work. I don't know what the glare is going to be like. But I started off with 17.5 miles on the bike. And that was just from riding it around at the fly-in and letting different people try it out. This will be the first time I've really had it out on the road. One thing I can tell you about this bike is it really cruises. 29 to 30 miles an hour in pedal assist, 20 miles an hour just with straight throttle. It has a motorcycle type twist throttle, but I like it in pedal assist because I really barely even have to turn the pedals to engage the motor. Let's take this opportunity to talk a little bit about my camera setup here. I have the GoPro 9 mounted here on my backpack strap, and that's mostly for audio. I do use some of that video, but it's the one that captures the best audio. It's the GoPro 9 with the GoPro Media mod. We'll see how it works in this wind. The camera out front here is the Insta360 1X2. The camera behind me is the Insta360 1X. That's the 360 camera behind me. And the one on my right side behind me is a GoPro 7. That's a lot of cameras. Oh yeah, and the one that's hopefully recording the instrument console there, that is a DJI Osmo Pocket. So this is kind of a shakedown. We'll see how all this stuff works, if it works. And I'm not absolutely sure just yet where our ride is going to take us. It'll end up somewhere with beer, though. Right here is the most dangerous part of the ride. Crossing through downtown maniac traffic. Looking for a break in. There it is. Start pedaling and put the beams to it. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna make it all right. So the E-Bike, the Kreboc 750 ES, it's a 750 watt motor. It's a Shimano drive. It's a 7-speed as far as pedaling. It's a 48 volt, 19.2 amp hour battery. That's a huge battery capacity. The published range on this bicycle, they say 120 miles or 110 miles throttle only, or 55 miles pedal assist. That seems like a lot, but obviously that's going to depend on the weight of the rider, how hard you ride, how much you use the throttle, and how much you pedal. I doubt someone of my weight would be able to get 110 miles of range on this battery, but who knows? I will at some point do a range test. It'll probably have to be over a few rides. I'm really not into riding 50 miles anymore. This is my hometown, Bradenton, Florida. And this right here is the Manatee River. We're in kind of southwest Florida here, just south of Tampa. I was in pedal assist speed 3. It's a little too fast for down here on the sidewalks with all the pedestrians. So we'll kick it down to pedal assist 1. All right. So pedal assist 1, it looks like we average out about 12 miles an hour, or top out about 12 miles an hour. And that's your setting where you would find your longest range. It looks like about 12.5 miles an hour on pedal assist 1. And that's a real comfortable cruising speed, actually. Yeah, we cruised by the skate park right down the riverfront. Across the river from me is Palmetto. Pedal assist is cheating, I guess. I don't think a big heavy bike like this is something I'd want to have to pedal home, but you never know. If your battery runs out, at least you got a way to get home. This camera wants to keep tilting down. All right, so we'll go ahead and jack our speed up here. Pedal assist mode 2. That takes us right up to 20. We just passed Caddy's Bar and Grill there. We'll go there for a video, maybe the next video. Just got the wife an electric bike. I got her a Swagtron EB10. So that'll probably be our maiden voyage. We'll go down there to Caddy's and get a beer. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but my feet are barely moving, and I'm going 22 miles an hour. And I can tell you, 22 miles an hour on a bicycle is cruising. All right. Well, we're here at Manatee Avenue already. Okay. So we're going to do a little detour around here down the sidewalk. We'll go back to pedal assist 1 for this. Once we get over here, we can get back to the back roads, get away from this heavy traffic. So if you were wondering about e-bikes and the legality of riding in them on the street or trails, other places you can ride bicycles, I live in Florida, and this is actually a street legal e-bike. This is a class 3 bicycle. The maximum that it can go using throttle only is 20 miles an hour, and the maximum that it can go in pedal assist is 29 miles an hour. So my understanding is that I can legally ride this anywhere that I can legally ride a bicycle. I've heard that some parks don't allow e-bikes, but I haven't come across any yet. All right, back up to... All right, pedal assist 3, let's open her up. All right, let's try it again. That was with a headwind too. We'll check it coming back with a tailwind. Bumpy ass roads. All right. We'll go down a little further here. As far as we can go in this direction, so we'll have to zig back and head back south to get to the brewery. right, guys, look where we are. Three Keys Brewery. Made it. Here we are at the Three Keys Brewery. We got a Mouthful of Freedom IPA, 7.6% alcohol by volume, 64 IBU International Bitter Units. A well-rounded IPA. Touch of rolled oats gives a smooth mouthfeel to balance the floral grapefruit hop character. Let's try it out. Oh, that's mighty good. All right, we had the bikes, we got the beer, now the burger's on the way. All right, guys, here it is.